Tesco Mobile employs age restrictions through parental controls and internet filters to protect minors. Turning these off requires a PIN. First, open the Tesco Mobile app or go to their website. Navigate to Manage Account and then Safety Settings. Enter the 4-digit PIN you set up during initial account configuration. Toggle off age restrictions or content filters. Save the changes. The process takes effect within minutes. If you've forgotten your PIN, you'll need to reset it via email or SMS verification. For further assistance, contact Tesco Mobile support through the app chat or call 0344 324 9222 for identity verification. Tesco Mobile's age restriction system hinges on age verification and content filters. Age verification, now mandatory for new users, uses methods like gov.uk verify or facial recognition. Content filters block categories like pornography, gambling, and violence at the network level, customizable via a PIN-protected system. These filters are opt-in for family plans and opt-out for individual accounts over 18. This system complies with the UK's Online Safety Act 2023. While PIN-based access and device integration are key, AI-powered filters adapting to user patterns and biometric PINs are future trends. AI-powered filters adapting to user patterns and biometric PINs are future trends. Parental over-reliance without education is cautioned by experts who recommend regular PIN changes.